It's me, Cleo, and this time it's November. Let me tell you how, if you open your wholesale account this month, you're going to get $50 of free product. I have translated this into English, so I'm just going to read it. Open your doTERRA wholesale account with a purchase of 100 PV or more and get $50 back to spend on products of your choosing. Spend it on whatever you want. This is awesome. It's called the Give the Gift promo, and this promo applies to you and your wellness advocates. So, if you have never made a purchase from doTERRA before, or you've purchased something but at retail and you've never had a wholesale account, well, you can open a wholesale account on our website, and there are two ways that you can do that. You can purchase one of our introductory kits. We have, I think, 8 introductory kits that you can choose from, or you can pay $35 and customize your own kit. And as long as either one of those options are over 100 PV, you're going to get 50 points, which is dollars right back to spend on product. So, what are the questions that I am answering for you? When am I going to get those points? You're going to get those points December 15th, Susie Q. When do I have to spend more than those $50 to use those $50? No. Those points will show up in your account. You'll open your cart and it'll say reward points available or some similar lingo, and you'll be able to easily click the items that you want to purchase using those points. Normally, in order to collect points, you have to be a customer already and earn those points from your purchases. And you can earn 10 to 30% on your purchases. It depends on a few different factors that I won't go into right this moment. But even 30% of 100 is only 30. But this month, you enroll with 100 and you get 50 back. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty awesome promo. There are a couple other things going on this month. The product of the month is clove. So that is a promo for if you're new and you want to be a wholesale customer. You want to purchase oils, vitamins, supplements, shampoo, low toxic, non-toxic household cleaning supplies, what have you, that we offer. That promo is available for you. If you are already a wholesale customer or wellness advocate, you can get clove oil absolutely free when you make a purchase of 125 PV this month. So, clove is great because it's the highest antioxidant value of our oils. And hello, antioxidants. If you don't know what that is, do yourself a Google. PV, let me tell you that for a second. PV is a point system that we have. So lemon oil is $10 US. It is also 10 PV. All the oils are 1-to-1. Some of the products vary, but that's what PV is. We have points attached to our products because we sell our products all over the world, and guess what? Currency changes, but the PV does not. So that is it. In terms of fine print, I think I told you everything. Let me just go over it with you once. Can I talk? Can I English? Can I? Let me just go over that with you once more real quick. So it's this month only, November 1st to 30th. You want to go to the doTERRA person that's been guiding you. Go to your friend. Go to the person that sent you this video. If you don't know anything about anything, just PM me. I'll help you. If I'm the person guiding you, then use my website link below. And let's see, that's all the fine print, because there just really isn't any. It's a really fun promo. So enjoy it. Happy holidays. Happy post-Halloween is really what it is for me. Halloween's my favorite. It was great. Did you have a good one? Did you? If you don't know how to purchase from doTERRA, you can purchase at retail, but then none of these promos apply to you. You can purchase at wholesale as a customer, or you can purchase as a wellness advocate and you can earn your products and commissions for earning them. You can earn them for earning them. Okay, and that's the end of my Englishing ability for today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see ya next time.